Hello, it's Donna with Thread Treasures. I had talked about making truly custom um, thread charts, and one of the thread charts that I actually, or some of the threads that I actually own, is the Metro Pro brand. And right now, Embird does not have the Metro Pro um, brand color chart out there. So I created one, and how I did it, I went to Metro, whoops, and under thread, I went to the Metro Pro, and I saw this RGB codes and names, and I just downloaded it, and saved it off. So that is actually this file here. So in Notepad, I actually went in and typed all of this in: the code, the brand, the color, and the RGB values. And I saved it as a text file. Okay, I call it metropro.txt. So next, I went from there, and I actually and I saved it off in a different location, just in case there was something really wrong. And I also saved it to where I have my Embird installed, and I've saved it as Metro Pro here. It's going to say it's already there. Do you want to replace it? Right now I'm going to say no, because I did go ahead and put it in there. So now if you look here, you will see Metro Pro, and it's the one I created today at 1:18 this afternoon, and that's Central Time. So that is this file right here. So I'm going to close out the PDF file that I had downloaded and the text file. So now when I come in and I do my little design, and I go to pick a color from a color chart, oops, there's something wrong in one of my charts, so I'll fix that in a minute. But here is now, if you look, I'm using Metro Pro, and these are the colors that they have. Right now I think they only have like 146 colors, but these are the colors that they have. And it's as good a representation, a simulation that you're going to be based on the colors that they give you. So if you're interested in getting the Metro Pro thread chart for Embird, just let me know, and I can possibly make it available for you to download and install. So I just wanted to let you know that you can get the information from a manufacturer and enter it completely by yourself. So talk to you later. Bye.